So good day guys, you've learned how to set your default browser on your Windows 11. So let's go ahead to our settings, and here in your settings you just have to locate, just come to the search bar and search for default. So here you can see the default apps showing there, then click on it, then scroll down to the app you want to. For example, I want to use my Chrome application as my default browser. I click on Chrome, then you can see this here, then just click on set default. So like this, I've gotten my Chrome as my default application. So if you choose to set any other application like that, for example Microsoft Edge, you can just pick it up like that. So I'm scrolling down to locate my Microsoft Edge, then I can go and let me just search on for it here, Microsoft Edge. So Edge, then I can just click on this and decide to set it as my browser, but I prefer Chrome. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.